Video 12, the gold door. Turning the light on. As you can see, I finally, it was dry enough, I finally dry brushed just the top here in the pure gold. The rest of that was that other variation of gold behind it. But it's funny how it kind of sets it off. You can see the difference right now because it's wet. It almost blends with this, which is almost looking like a pure gold now, but that was the cream color from the craft store. All the rest of this was from the Walmart paint section, craft paints. Down here, I believe that was the Inca. I got to give that another coat, and I'm probably going to need to dry brush it to tone it down, unless she doesn't mind it sticking out. I mean, most people wouldn't notice that, and it might be a neat highlight for her. But when it's in the camera, it's totally obvious, those two highlighted. When it's like this, it's a little noticeable. I mean, most people, unless they got a keen eye, they're not going to notice all that. But she might like it that way. So I still got to second coat that, and then I can always dry brush it. So I like it. I hope she likes it. One door in a few hours anyways. I don't remember what time I started it. A couple hours ago for sure. So video 12. I might get one more video in there. In case she ever wants to watch them all, or if somebody wants to just see the various stages of painting the door, at least the way I did it with the craft paint. And I got to find out about getting a clear coat on it so it doesn't scrape off as good. I know once it dries, the 24 to 48 hours, it's supposed to be more permanent. From what I understand, some of these water-based acrylics are more likely not to come off in 24 to 48 hours, and you can clear coat them. We're not going to use the spray because we're in the house, but they do have a brush on clear coat which could change the look of the door totally. So you definitely want to try it on something else, or like on the edges where you might not mind the color change. So we'll see if we got to do that, at least on the main parts of the door where it's mostly used close to the handle. Alright, thanks for stopping in. That's the gold door. It's almost at conclusion. There might be another video, so painting the door. Thanks for stopping in. Have a good day. Bye.